Hey out there, legal warriors. In this video, I'm going to cover what you need to know in the moment if you are getting arrested, especially if you're getting arrested out of your home, pretty much anywhere. So hopefully you'll never need to know this advice, but it's good to watch this, put it in the back of your head, because it can make a difference for when you go in and when you get out. So if you're interested in this area of the law, stay tuned. This is the video for you. My name is Attorney Lance Fryrear. I'm a defense attorney in Lynnwood, Washington. My law firm's been defending people charged with crimes all throughout Washington State for more than 25 years. And I'm putting out these videos to help educate the public. So if you find this useful, please like and please subscribe. More people get to see it. More people get the help they need. Now, I take a lot of phone calls from people who have loved ones calling us, and the people they're calling about, they got arrested. And I thought to myself, I asked them the same question quite a bit, what they know about their loved one who got arrested, because in the situation, when they're calling, right, they don't know what to expect. They know that their loved one's in jail somewhere. Usually they're going to know where because they got a phone call or something like that. And they're calling me to try to fix the legal problem, and I'm trying to tell them, when are they likely to get out based upon the unique circumstances of the charge and the court and the jurisdiction. But if you're getting arrested, the main thing I tell people, I ask them, hey, do you know what's your guess for what they had on their person when they got arrested? Because whatever you have on your person when you get arrested, unless it's evidence they're going to keep, you're going to be given back when you're getting out. And the dirty little secret of the jail system is when they let you out, they just kick you out the door, right? They're not giving you a taxi or a ride somewhere or something like that. I'm in the Seattle area, right? It's raining, it's cold, it's dark. So I'm always asking, do they have their cell phone on them, right? Do they have their wallet on them? Do they have any way to pay for anything? Because when they get kicked out on the street at 10 o'clock at night and it's raining, they don't have someone waiting for them right then, because it's not like a scheduled thing where, hey, you're going to get out of jail at this exact time. In fact, in the county where I primarily practice, Snohomish County, I'm going to say it's going to be 6 to 8 hours after a court hearing before someone's going to get released. And so it's pretty traumatic as far as if you're in that situation. So what's that mean? What's that mean for you if you're getting arrested? Well, we're not talking legal advice here. We already know the legal advice type thing. Most people keep your mouth shut, or anything you say can be used against you. But if you're gonna, get your cell phone, right? Make sure you have your cell phone on you. And if you don't, if it's in the living room, ask the officer, hey, do you mind getting my cell phone so I have it when I get out, right? Do you mind if I get my charger so I have it when I get out? Those are the words to say, so I have it when I get out. Do you mind if I get, this credit card so I might be able to bail myself out from the jail, right? You want to think about what reasonable things can you make sure you have when you go in so you have it when you get out. What are the primary things we're worried about? We're worried about safety, that is, have a way to call someone, right? We're worried about freedom, have a way to bail yourself out, possibly by having that credit card on us when we go in. We're worried about comfort, right? Is it raining out? Can you get your jacket, right? Because when you kicked out on the street, you're not going out there with the jail clothes. You're going on with only what you had on your back. You don't have shoes on. Can I get my shoes, right? Those type of things. There are cases where, people can get released without proper, clothing for the elements, right? And it is not a fun thing. And so we want to think about it, what we're going to need when we get out. Additionally, if you can't, they're not going to give you your cell phone. They're going to keep it as evidence. Hey, do you mind if I get some phone numbers? Can you get me some phone numbers off of my phone so I can write them down so I know how to call someone from the jail? How many of us have our loved ones' phone numbers memorized nowadays? I know I have one person's phone memorized that I could call, but that's it. I don't have my mom and dad's memorized at this point, right? It just says mom or dad on the phone. So if you're not going to be able to keep your phone, or because they're going to put it in property, ask if you can write down some numbers, or can they write them down for you? That way you know how to call someone to bail you out. And remember, if we're calling someone on a jail phone, it's a recorded call. It's not private. So, well, you can say I'm under arrest for DUI and don't say, by the way, I didn't have as many beers as normal. I only had 15, right? Because that's going to be on tape, right? So you can say you're under arrest, but don't talk about the facts of the case, no matter how bad our mommy might want us to. And we all want to talk to our mom to say what's happened. So think about, if you happen to be getting arrested, who it is you're going to call. Work is another situation, right? Just really, when you get arrested, you're probably going to miss the next work day. So think about, hey, do I have a way to call someone who can call me into work? If not, can you get that number off your phone? Because once you're in the jail, they're not giving you your phone, right? You're not getting your phone until you get out. So these are the things I want you to think about. Put them in the back of your head. Hopefully you never need them. But if you do, then you're going to have a much better go of it when you're trying to get released or when you actually do get released. So I hope you found it useful. This is a short one, but an important one. If so, please like and please subscribe. More people get to see it. More people get the help they need. And more importantly, if you have a criminal problem in Washington State, feel free to give our office a call once you're out of jail, because we don't take jail calls because that's all we would get. But if we get on board, we'll listen to what happened, we'll identify a way forward, we'll be there for you. Thank you.